Have you ever asked an AI a question and got back a I don't know, or even worse, a wrong answer? What if I told you that there is a way to make AI think faster, smarter, and more reliably without waiting any hours for training? Today, we're cracking open parallel runs, the secret weapon behind next-gen AI thinking or reasoning. A parallel run is when an AI system processes multiple reasoning paths at once, like having a team of experts debate an answer instead of one person guessing. Instead of waiting for one slow chain of thought, it explores the options in parallel and then picks the best one. Using parallel runs for complex queries like Q&As, searching, or reasoning is how these AI systems are able to give you such well thought out and complete answers. Let's take a look at how we use structured outputs in Axiom AI. Here we have Axiom AI. Let's go over a quick example of how we can use parallel runs. Before we do that, let's go ahead and take a quick look at what our code looks like so we have an idea of what parallel runs actually are. See here as part of our reasoning or thinking tool in the Axiom AI chat, one of the things that you can do is run your batches concurrently, meaning whenever you want to ask your AI a question and you want it to think deeper, you could ask it to list out a few more questions to ask itself. It will ask them, then provide all of that input concurrently as part of one very strong complete answer. Let's see what that looks like. Here we have our chat. Let's go ahead and pick brainstorming as the personality. Make sure that it gives a high enough temperature for it to think. We're going to pick our API because thinking is going to be a little bit compute intensive. Let's see how this works. You see here in our output, our context window had quite a bit of tokens. That's because it asked all the questions separately and it gave all that information into the AI. You see, it is a fairly complex and long response to the question that we did ask it, which was just one sentence. That is how parallel runs work and how they can help your AI. If you're looking to implement AI in your organization and you want to find the right tool that has all the features you need, make sure to check out Axiom AI. It is open source and we have now made it available for enterprises, so make sure to check out our website. Now that we went over a quick example, let's talk about when are the best times to use parallel runs. As you see, one of the best ways is to use it for complex reasoning tasks that require multiple trains of thought. Other good use cases include tasks that have multiple steps or high accuracy needs like financial forecasting, where you could look at a lot of possibilities at once, bring together what is likely to be the best result. Parallel runs aren't just a tech buzzword, they're how the smartest AI systems think. Whether you're building apps, studying, or just curious, demand better from your AI by using our parallel runs in Axiom AI. If you want to learn more, make sure to like and subscribe to stay ahead of the innovation curve.